Ooh, it is bright. Okay, so, gotta move. Today, I'm gonna be taking some things off my car, like this. We're gonna be fixing it up and painting it. And I'm gonna take these. They say ESR on them, which is cool, so I might try and mask this and keep it. But this is going black. And then I think I'm taking all these off too. Just because the front ones too. Just because it kind of makes the car look like trash that they're all faded and gross. So, and this rear diffuser and the rear bumper, hi Sadie, are broken. And when they're broken, they look like shit. So I'm gonna take those off, which I'm not gonna record that. It might be a hassle. It'd take too long. So I will see you guys all in the garage. Okay, so I don't mind my 6 million cleaning products and all the chicken food and stuff over there. But a lot of these actually decided they wanted to break. You can't really see it very well. This one too. Got little breaks in them. Let's see if I can show you in the light here. Alright, see the spots where they're broken there. And it sucks because that means before I can paint them, I have to glue them. Or I paint the ones that are fixed and leave the other ones to glue. Whatever, it's fine. I'll figure it out. But the ones that are okay, which are 2 of the 3, and one of them actually still doesn't look too hot. I can paint. And then my rear diffuser is going to go in this big old box here. Those are going to go in this little box here. Do not mind the mess in here. That's just how it is. Alright? So, I'm going to go grab the diffuser off my car. And then I'll be back to you guys again. Okay, so on a little bit more research. This is an M. These are MSR wheels, which are even more reps, but I don't really care about it being reps per se. But it's time to sand these down with this. I'm actually probably going to end up switching to this, which is something a little more gritty, because they're being a little bit rough. And then these are the good 2, and then I have to fix the other 2, which I'm just going to use some plastic weld for. They take a little while to dry, but it'll be okay. Alright, one is all sanded. Still haven't decided if I'm going to keep this yet, because I mean, it's kind of cool looking. I kind of like the colors on it, so I might. But my only goal is to not break these in the back here. Don't mind that. I'll clean those up. But now I'm going to take some glass cleaner wipes to them, because they're not like a speed shine or something like that, so they don't stay on this. I still have to get this outer ring here. And then these will get their first coat of black. Now it's on to this. I also want to make it noted that these are metal. They are not plastic. And I'm starting, this is 220 grit. And this is just, if I can get it, this is just a Scotch-Brite pad. And then I'm scuffing it up after I get done. And they're turning out pretty smooth, so hopefully the paint ends up good. Alright, now that I've got the MSR all taped off, things are all wiped down, we're going to start our first layer of paint. And always remember to have the test piece. There's the diffuser. You always test your paint before you use it on a test piece, and you got to get all the air or whatever the hell's in there, like the extra part out, because I don't know if you guys have ever sprayed spray paint, but when you spray it, it comes out all chunky at first, because no matter how much you shake it, because it's just not ready to be sprayed. I don't know, it's the excess that's in the tip still. So you always have a test piece, and remember, you always spray light, super light coat. You can put as many coats on as you want, but the lighter you do, the better it looks, and the longer or the less time it takes to dry. So always do light coats. Okay, so always remember, shake it. You gotta shake it up really good, which sucks, but it is what it is. And then, see, this part comes out like that until it evens out. You have to have a test piece. You gotta shake it up real good. So, I'm gonna lay my first little layer, and remember, that is it for the first coat. Super light. This isn't really a how-to. I mean, I guess I could make a how-to. Because probably get more views that way because people like how-tos, because a lot of people are dummies and don't know how to do things. So, next thing we're gonna go and work on is prepping that bad boy. And it's gonna get the same paint. So, because it looks dull and it's a little bit broken, but it's okay. So, I'm gonna prep that. Now I'm going to come up to my bumper with the Scotch-Brite. Not my bumper, my diffuser, sorry. And I'm going to scuff this entire thing up because it's got rough spots like this where clearly this has fallen off and dragged across the ground with the last owner before. So we are going to try and fix that. So I'll come back to you when it is all prepped. So I got these all glued, used this stuff, Loctite 3/8. Works wonders. A lot of it is still broken, like this one only has 2 pegs that actually hold the metal ring in there. And they're gonna take a minute to dry. But I also have all of my coats done on these. I just applied the last one. And I'm starting, shut up, Thomas. I'm starting my first one. And this one, I haven't quite laid it down yet, but we're getting there. So I will update you guys when I have it all done. Got my first coat done on this. Mind you, this is all going to dry matte. None of it's going to be shiny, which will be nice. It'll look really clean. Gloss gets really dirty really fast. So that was gross. It'll all dry, real nice and pretty. And then these two are going to get paint in about 10 minutes, so they'll look really good. Alright. I've got my first few layers of paint on these two bad boys. It's turning out nice. Just did my third coat on this, and that's where I'm going to end there. And hopefully this all turns out good, because I don't know if you guys can see it, but the sun is going down, and the sun is going down quickly. Because right now it is, let me look, it's 4:30. That means I have roughly an hour, if not less, of daylight to get all of this painted and put back on the car, which is going to suck, but it's alright, we'll get it figured out. Okay, so here we are with the two fronts. And I'm gonna try right now to push this boy in here. I'm gonna have to put the camera down for this. Bam. Shoot. Yep, wherever I touch that, it's probably gonna stay. So, whatever. But here's your look at it inside the wheel. We'll see if I can throw up a before and after of this. There's your after, so we'll see if I can find a before at some point. So I'm gonna pop in the other one, and then that'll be about it, other than the diffuser. And that's the finished product. It's the little touches, man. The little touches. They just don't stick out in your face as much, you know what I mean? It's wonderful. I haven't finished the other side yet, but God, it looks so much better. I wish you guys could portray it on camera, but God damn, it's worlds better. I know the car's really dirty. Let me get up close for you. Turned out really good. Well, that's all I'm gonna do because I'm running out of daylight. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It might be a little on the longer side, but I'm not entirely sure. It's kind of just another dick around video, have fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a nice rest of your day. Peace out.